going on, cats and chicks? It's Urchin Greaser here, and welcome back to this brand new video. I know it's been a while since I've done a video. I've been so busy. I just didn't have the time to get around to doing my videos again and stuff like that. I went to a rock and roll event in Southend, and I know it may be like a short video, but it is what it is. I went to see my friend Nikki. She's in a band called Nikki and the Switchblades. She's got a YouTube channel which I'll drop below, so that way you can check it out, and of course be sure to subscribe to her. Of course, as you know, the Foresters has been knocked down for being block of flats and whatnot, which is a shame because it was like our rockabilly playground, if you want to put it that way. So with this one, it was at the Southend seafront. It was at a pub called the Borough Hotel. There isn't much videos because I was too busy having fun and stuff like that. But sit back and enjoy seeing the video of Nikki and the Switchblades. Over to that. So yeah, that was pretty much that. I've got no complaints about it. She will be back in Southend very soon at the Borough Hotel. Hopefully I should be able to go there. And if I'm able to, I'm going to see if I can try and get like Rock and Roll Joker, like Madman, and possibly like one of my friends, Tony, Drew and Laura. I'll see if I can try and get all these together. It'd be cool, like having them like collabing and stuff like that. I'm not going to promise anything just yet because it's early days, but I'm sure they're like down for it. Especially because of like Madman, he's in England at the moment, so that could be like a good advantage to it. Again, guys, I know it's a short video, it is what it is, and I'm going to finish it from here, guys. And of course, stay greasy cats, and of course, GTFO, grease the fuck out.